Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be explaining you my formulas and functions on Excel. Our first formula is compound formula. It is used on. It is basically used on uh, data uh, with more than one operator. Uh, f- these uh, compound formulas can also be used in our daily life formulas like SP for SI formula. Uh, First example is let's P is equal to 800, R is equal to 4, T is equal to 7. SI is equal to sign bracket open F12 F12 multiply uh, F9 F9 multiply F10 multiply F multiply F11 bracket close upon 100 bracket upon 100 bracket close enter, and we got the answer 224. We can also use this formula on plus, minus, and other operations of mathematics. Our second formula is on text. I have given one example. In this formula, we will be adding uh, separated words, like let's take mm, lap. Second word, top. The formula is the formula for formula on text is equal to bracket open, uh, name of address of the cell I7, I7 bracket open H7 and H7 H H no, I7 I bracket close enter, and we got answer. So this is only for my video. Thanks for watching.